Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to open GitHub Copilot chat inside the Visual Studio Code so you can get AI powered help right inside your editor. So let's dive in. First of all, open the VS Code and create a new file, or you can open the old file you have. Then first of all, install GitHub Copilot extension at the Copilot. As you can see at the right side corner, you will see the extension bar. Search here and search for GitHub Copilot and install this. As you can see, you can install it from here. Then step 2 is to install GitHub Copilot chat extension. In the extension panel, search for GitHub Copilot chat and you can search here. After you have installed, you can search here GitHub Copilot chat and open the Copilot chat. Click the Copilot chat icon on the sidebar. It looks like a chat bubble. Or open the command palette and you can this is the command palette and search here. Or command palette shortcut key is the Control Shift plus P in the window, and you can type here Copilot. As you can see, chat hide Copilot. You can click it and it will say hide. It is saying hide Copilot. Or you can search here and GitHub Copilot. After you have installed this, you can use the GitHub Copilot and you can start chatting. And that's how you open GitHub Copilot chat in VS Code. If this helped you, please like, subscribe and comment below what cool AI tricks you want to learn next. And thanks for watching and happy coding.